Yayarta gin iyerte gin. 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 So yayarta gin, is in Maban tribe, but when translated, into English would be, you will say, I will find something. I will find the thing. I will find the thing. Yayarta gin, I will find the thing. Iyerte gin is you. You will find the thing. Yayarta gin iyerte gin. Yayarta gin iyerte gin. Yayarta gin iyerte gin. Yayarta gin iyerte gin. Yayarta gin iyerte gin.